You do not have to replace the shutoff valve when installing new flooring unless it is corroded or not functioning properly. When planning flooring work around an existing shutoff valve, measure the new floor height and mark the valve stem location so the trim and access remain flush and accessible. If the valve is old, lift the handle and test for stiffness, leaks, or visible corrosion and replace it only when it fails these checks. For most bathroom remodels, you can work the flooring up to the valve by cutting the material to fit and finishing the gap with a split pipe flange or collar that clamps around the pipe and covers the cut edge, which preserves a clean look and keeps water from wicking into the substrate. If the pipe penetration shifts slightly because of added underlayment, install an adjustable escutcheon that telescopes to accommodate the offset while still sealing against the finished floor. When cutting tile or solid surface material, dry fit pieces first and use a carbide hole saw or angle grinder with a diamond blade for neat openings. For wood and laminate, score first with a utility knife to prevent chipping. Keep access in mind so you are not burying a valve under fixed cabinetry or permanent molding. A simple removable access panel is often easier and less costly than replumbing. Always shut off the main if you need to work on the valve, and have basic leak repair supplies on hand like compression fittings, thread sealant tape, and a bucket to catch drips. Common mistakes include burying the valve under finished flooring or trim, which makes future service nearly impossible. Avoid this by planning an access route or using a decorative removable cover. Another frequent issue is assuming the valve is fine because it looks intact. Test it under pressure and replace if it sticks or leaks once operated. Cutting the floor too close to the pipe and leaving raw substrate exposed causes water damage and poor aesthetics. Use a split flange or adjustable escutcheon and seal the gap to protect the substrate and create a finished appearance. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors who are actively seeking work and provides community discussion boards where we and other users share real project experiences and practical tips related to shutoff valve management and flooring transitions. We help contractors find leads and homeowners get perspective from peers so decisions about repairs or replacements are easier and better informed.